What is a computer? The answer can feel obvious when you look at a machine like a laptop. Clearly, this is a computer. But as digital technology becomes more embedded in our lives, the answer becomes difficult. Is an alarm clock a computer? What about a battery-powered toy? In the prep lesson, students will explore two of a computer's defining characteristics. First, they'll recognize that computers don't work alone. They are controlled by instructions given to them by people. Understanding this is an important part of computational thinking. It shows that people play a critical role in solving problems with computers. Second, students will define a computer as a system that always includes specific elements: input, processing, and output. Understanding these parts shows students that computers are not magic. They are tools that can be leveraged to solve a problem. The activities in the prep lesson help students answer the question, what is a computer? So they can move on to using computers to solve problems.